Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm back with a product I just couldn't wait to share with you. This one really caught my eye, so let's dive in. You're going to love it. So let's talk design first. This product looks sharp. Want to know more? Check the description for details. If you want to find out more, check out the description below. And here's the kicker, the price tag. Usually, something this stylish and high quality comes with a big price, but this one's super affordable. I was genuinely shocked at how budget-friendly it is considering everything it offers. You don't find that every day. Plus, it's super versatile. Whether it's in your workspace, at home, or even as a unique gift, it'll fit right in. It's the kind of product that always looks great and works well wherever you put it. If you want to find out more, check out the description below. And before you go, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you're always in the loop with my latest finds.